Hi guys, welcome to Easy Maths Lessons. Today we are going to look at percentages and in particular how to calculate a percentage increase and decrease without a calculator. Now these questions will be roughly about 1 to 2, perhaps 3 marks in your non-calculator exam. However, they can be a lot more depending on obviously the type of question and whether they're in functional skill type of question, a best buy type of question, or whether they're just plain straightforward. Okay, now let's have a look. What does this mean? What does increase mean? What does decrease mean? So if I look at percentage increase, increase means to make more. So if I find a percentage of an amount, then I'm going to add it on to make it more. And decrease, well, that means the opposite. So if I find a percentage of an amount, I'm going to take it away to make it less. Okay, let's have a look at some examples. My first example says, increase £200 by 20%. Now, as I explained earlier, increase means to add it on, so make it more. So if I've got £200 in my bucket here, so I've got a little bucket, £200 inside it, that bucket is full to the brim, which means 100% of my amount is in that bucket. Now, I want to now increase by 20%, so I'm going to add on 20%, which will give me 120% of my amount. 120%. So the first thing I need to do, find 10%. Now, if you're not sure how to find 10% of an amount or any percent of an amount, watch one of my earlier videos on calculating percentages of amounts. All right, so now I've found 10% of £200 by dividing by 10, gives me 10%, but I want 20%, and because I want 20%, I need to take the 10% and double it up. So instead of having £20, I will have £40. So I take 100% of my amount, which is £200, add on the 20%, which is £40, and therefore, when I increase £200 by 20%, my answer would be £240. Got it? Great. Let's look at the next one, decrease. So this time I'm going to decrease £400 by 15%. Now, again, I've got this little bucket and I've put my £400 inside the bucket, which will give me 100% of my amount. So let's imagine you are in a shop and you want to buy a big TV. This TV costs £400 normally, so that's 100% of my amount. But on Boxing Day, we've got a big sale, 15% off. So I'm going to take off the 15% and I've only got 85% left to pay. So all I want to work out now is this 85%. So here goes. Find 10% first. Again, if you're unsure, then watch one of my previous videos on calculating a percentage of an amount. And then take my 10%, half it to find 5%. Now I'm going to add the two together. So 10%, 5% makes 15%, and therefore 40 and 20 makes 60. So 100% is £400. My 15%, which because it's a decrease, I need to take away, is now £60. So £400, take away the £60, will leave me with 85% of the original amount, which is £340. Okay, let's do some exercises. And pause it, have it a go, and I will be ready with the answers once you are ready. And here you go. Did you get them right? Give us a thumbs up if you got them right. That's all for today. And I hope you understood increase and decrease percentages without a calculator. I am also available on Twitter at Easy Maths Lesson, and you can also find me on Facebook, Easy Maths Lessons. Till next time.